Hello friends, so today we are going to understand how to calculate predicted 1 repetition max 1 RM. Now before we find out how to calculate, it is necessary to understand what is 1 repetition maximum. Strength, as you know, this is covered in chapter 8 of 5th edition of ACE Personal Trainer Manual. Irrespective of the edition, whatever you are using, the definition remains the same. Strength can be expressed as either absolute strength or relative strength. Absolute strength is defined as the greatest amount of weight that can be lifted one time. So, that is 1 repetition maximum. Now, my 1 repetition maximum can be different from yours. And how to compare that? For that purpose, we need relative strength. To compare relative strength, basically takes the person's body weight into consideration and is used for comparison purposes. Relative strength is the maximal force a person is able to exert in relation to his or her body weight and is calculated using the formula relative strength is equal to absolute strength divided by body weight. So, absolute strength equals the amount of weight lifted. So, everyone will have weight lifting capacity different, but when we are comparing two individuals, weight lifting capacity of one person will be divided by his or her body weight to compare with the other person's relative strength. So, coming back to 1 repetition maximum, the formula is pounds lifted divided by percentage of 1 RM and is equal to predicted 1 RM. Now, how to find out the percentage of 1 RM? For this, in chapter 8, you have this 1 RM table, a repetition table. So, based on the repetitions, like in this example, individual can perform maximum of 10 repetitions. If that individual can perform 10 repetitions, that means his or her 1 RM is basically 75%. That repetition means percentage is 75%. On the exam, you will get 1 or 2 odd questions on this, and I have observed for the last 2 years in the personal trainer study group on the Facebook that all have got only question about this, that is 10 repetition. So in case of 10 repetitions, it is very easy to remember that percentage is 75%. But when I appeared for the exam, I found how to even remember this table, and largely I remember the table. Like for 1 repetition you have 100, for second you have 95. If you say there is a pattern, see there is a pattern on 4 repetition you have 90, for 6 you have 85. So this is like number 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, like this, like you can remember, then you can fill in between all these numbers. So I tried to retain all this when I appeared for exam, but on the exam I got this type of question only, that the client is performing 10 repetition, what will be his or her 1 RM. So you know that in case of 10 repetitions, percentage is 75. So on that basis, you can easily calculate the 1 RM. The formula is pounds lifted. It can be pounds or kgs. So that doesn't make much difference. You have to follow the same, and you have to divide it by the percentage of 1 RM. So in this example, individual can perform maximum of 10 repetitions, that is 10 RM with 150 pounds. What is his predicted 1 RM? 10 RM divided by percentage of 1 RM, you will get 1 RM. So he has lifted 150 pounds. Pounds lifted divided by percentage. This will be the 75%. 0.75. It comes to 200. So you can do different calculations, like if I have done so if I have lifted 200 pounds and done 10 repetitions, what will be my 1 RM? Like 200 pounds lifted divided by 0.75. It will come to, let me check on the mobile. So once again, I am telling you, on the exam module you will have the calculator, basic calculator, so you need not worry about it. 200 divided by 0.75 comes to 266.66. so I will round it to 267. So my 1 RM is 267, 1 RM. Like this, you can practice this formula time and again, so that it becomes easier for you to calculate when you are doing it on the exam. I hope I explained it well, and if you have liked the video, please press the like button and do share with your friends. And I would like to gently remind you to subscribe to the channel so that I can continue to do this good work. Thank you so much for showing here and trying to study for the exam. This is a very important concept, not only from exam point of view, but for when you are dealing with clients, you can easily find out the 1 repetition maximum for your client. Thank you so much. Thank you.